All right, just a little bit of help on worksheet 11.5. We're on unit 6, and this is assignment number 6. I'm going to go ahead and we talked about division properties of exponents today, and I'm on this worksheet. I'm going to be doing number 10. So if you need help on this worksheet and you want to get an idea of how to do at least one of these, we can do more in class tomorrow. But number 10 on this worksheet looks like this. 10 letter A is 5p times q to the third squared over 4 q to the third times, or p to the third times q. So what I'm going to do is get rid of these this parentheses first by squaring everything. And that means I have to square everything, including the 5. 5 squared is 25. P squared is p squared. And then q to the third squared, I'm multiplying. When I take a power to a power, I multiply, that's q to the 6th. And then I have to take everything in the denominator to the second power as well. So for example, I'm going to take 4 to the second power, which is 16. P to the third to the second is p to the 6th. And q to the second is just q to the second power. And then I'm going to try to simplify everything. Let's first take a look at the numbers. Is there anything that goes into 25 that also goes into 16? 5 goes into 25 but not 16. 4 goes into 16. 8 goes into 16. 2 goes into 16 but not 25. So I can't simplify 25 over 16. Those numbers will just stay the way they are. But if I subtract p to the second over p to the 6th is p to the negative 4th. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. So I could put p to the negative 4th on top, but if I want to make it positive, I'm going to put p to the positive 4th on the bottom. And then q to the 6th over q to the second is q to the 4th. So my final answer for number 10, letter A, is 25q to the 4th over 16p to the 4th. And that's one of the answers, the one that's letter N. Now let's take a look at number 10 still, but letter B. 10 letter B looks like this. We have negative 3q to the 5th, negative 3q to the 5th on top, over pq on the bottom. Now I'm going to take that whole thing and raise it to the third power. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I could simplify this a little bit. Like for example, before I take anything to the third power, I could simplify q to the 5th over q and just make it q to the 4th. Or I can do it like I did up above. I could take negative 3 to the third power. Negative 3 to the third power means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Then q to the 5th to the third is q to the 15th. And then I'm going to have p to the third and q to the third. So then I can't simplify anything with the number. That's just going to stay negative 27. And the p to the third is going to stay on the bottom because it's a positive third. But then q to the 15th over q to the third, I subtract. 15 minus 3 is q to the 12th. So my final answer for 10, letter B, is negative 27 q to the 12th over p to the third. And that's answer choice A, which means we're going to use the middle answer, which is letter L, in the blank down below. Hopefully that helps. If you need help with more of them, we can do that in class tomorrow.